Hi, I just got a new metal detector. Actually just got my first metal detector. Been watching a lot of YouTube videos. I got hooked. I know nothing about metal detecting. I know nothing about coins. I need a hobby. So, I ordered and purchased Teknetics Delta 4000. Right off the bat when I opened up the outer box, it said made in the USA. That's a bonus. So I'm going to open it up, put it together, give you a little insight on what I'm going to do, and hopefully you folks will give me a little insight on what to do and what I'm getting myself into. So here we go. Alright. Owner's manual, washers. Why did I choose this? I don't know. I did not want to buy something cheap. I did not want to buy something expensive. Because if I bought something cheap and it only went down a few inches on the ground, that'd be a bummer. If I bought something expensive and I don't like metal detecting, that'd be a bummer. So I went with this. Found a good deal on eBay, 230 bucks. They seen them go for 280. So when I saw this deal, I'm like, all right, I'm not gonna pass it up. So I bought it. I think the kids were more excited that it came in FedEx today than I was. What else we got here? Alright. Doesn't seem like there's much to it. Let's see. I knew ahead of time it took a 9-volt battery, so I got a 9-volt. And wow, that fits snug. Well, it turns on. That's a bonus. Alright. Okay. Let's open this up here, because there's a couple rubber washers. It says it goes, insert washers into lower stem, which I'm going to assume that's what this is. Bag, what fell here? Business reply by mail. And this is the owner's manual. Who reads owner's manuals? Alright. So lower stem. wife thinks this is going to be great because it's going to get me out of the house. Kids think it's going to be great because they're going to find pirate treasure and get rich. I don't know what to think because I've never done this before. So we'll give it a go and see what happens. Just to let you know where I'm going to be hunting. I lost a piece already. You know, how about that? There it is. The house was built in the mid-1800s, which is my in-laws, and I have a feeling I'm going to find a lot of treasures there, because from what I've seen, houses around that era have lots of silver. Beyond that, I don't know. Like I said, I've never done this before and don't know what to expect. All right. Let's see. That looks like it would go in here. For everybody watching this, feel free to make fun of me because I don't know what I'm doing. Or just give a friendly comment to say, hey, don't do that, do this. Because I'm sure I'm going to need all the help I can get. The one detector I was looking into was the Garrett 150. And I figured for just a little bit more money, I'm going to try this one out. The Garrett 150 I know is entry level, but we'll see with a little better detector. Hopefully this will find me some more goodies. Headphones, I don't have headphones. And where does the sucker go in at? There it is. Pinpointer. Oh, we got a beat. It doesn't want to stay on. Maybe I got the battery. Let's try a new battery. It doesn't want to stay on. I'm going to read the directions and get back to you. Alright, I'm back. I found out that you can't use cheap batteries. Don't use the cheap China batteries. You got to use batteries that are alkaline batteries. If I would have read the instructions instead of throwing them away, it would have told me that and I would have figured that out. So we got all metals mode, discriminate. I don't discriminate, so we'll figure out what that means. Pinpoint, sensitivity. I'm a little sensitive. Volume. We'll keep that down low. Alright. Like I say, I don't have a pinpointer. I do have this. It's a stud finder. Push a little button. I know it works. See that? Found the stud. But I tested it out earlier, and about an inch and a half, it'll probably reach away. So that's going to be my cheap version until I get something a little better. But I can afford to throw this away. I can't afford to throw away $125 pinpointer. So now you see what this is. It's nice. It's lightweight. Like I said, it was cheap. Cost me $230. Brand new in the box. Made in the USA. Teknetics Delta 4000 metal detector. Let's see. You guys come up as being all over the place. Come up between aluminum and a dime. What else? Foil. So an iPhone comes up as aluminum, dime, and foil. Great. Like I said, the property I'm going to be on testing out is 150 years, well, from 1850s, mid-1850s. I'm going to test that out because if I go into a park right now and I come across another person that's metal detecting, they're going to say, "What the hell are you doing?" I don't want to do that. So I'm going to practice, figure it out, go from there. If I get enough subscribers, I don't know, it could be like Darnell, and I know he's a newbie, but I followed him when he got his channel up and running, and maybe do a couple giveaways. And Dalton, same with him. Good guys, been watching them, good stuff. I don't know what coins are, so the more videos I can bring up, I'm going to need you folks to help me out and say, "Oh yeah, that's a whatever." And that's about it. So, happy hunting. Like my channel, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, I guess do what you gotta do. I don't know. I'm still new to this, so leave me a comment. Help me out. Thanks.